Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibanta na kajeng kre yak election banjet thamai yak no mekman sakayeng dorbar thawan hakani gejala kaban salong house nam arja khat prabanwan haka arpo artarek mentau no pra u chief election commissioner jongkari India lawan yuk jatru hakani gnong ba shilong banya kendo kerpang yak no ilam jongki seng san perthai ba per kumjo yaki he jokatnat panya election hakani gejala bansupan kanmau khandes ngi menchua kawai niki seng riulom Kebala Aiksai bakan sakarpat naka Election Commission of India ban penokam biang daka ballot paper haka jinga tab board haka ni kejala kadai keseng United Democratic Party Henry kini kejing terwa joga ni keseng haka ni kesengi kamsyam lo orlong nama Chief Election Commissioner kari India UAK Jyoti ulapan bena bahaka ni kejala on tab board daka penokam biang daka core electronic voting machine neka EVM bat ka voter verifiable paper audit trail neka VVPAT.
As far as law and order related issues, some parties expressed the apprehension about the possibility of booth capturing in some far-flung areas, and they demanded to take effective action to prevent such event if it takes place. One political party told the Commission that security personnel provided to the VIP candidates are sometimes misused in favor of the candidate. This should also be prevented. Another political party demanded that movement of militants should be controlled as they may take some sides of certain candidates and intimidate the voter supporter of the rival groups or the candidates. They also demanded that any attempt of booth capturing or proxy voting, what they call silent proxy was the word used by them, silent proxy should also be controlled effectively. One political party demanded that CCTV cameras should be fixed in all the polling stations. As far as MCC related issues are concerned, the parties demanded to keep strict vigil and take effective steps to prevent the violations. Some parties demanded that transfer policy related to the officials who are connected with the electoral process should be strictly implemented by the Commission and also the Chief Electoral Officer and the state government. As far as EVM related issues are concerned, political parties raised some issue regarding the EVM and the VVPAT machine, because VVPAT is the voter verifiable paper audit trail. This will be a new innovation towards transparency and credibility, which they said we should also be educated and information should be shared. And awareness program should be conducted not only at district level but also at the village level. Yesterday the CEO has launched mobile vans also, so that the people, common man and the common voter should also be aware of this voter verifiable paper audit trail. One political party demanded to increase the number of polling stations as some more time may be required for voters due to deployment of VVPAT. And the voter can see that flash of light and the slip which will take some more time. That was their suggestion. As far as expenditure monitoring is concerned, the political parties demanded that effective steps must be taken to prevent the misuse of money distribution. They said that problem has happened on earlier occasions also, and this may happen in the coming elections also. So effective action to prevent the distribution of money should be taken. Some parties raised that the rates of the chairs and other election material, for the rallies, they have said that it was on the higher side, but we told them that the DOs are fixing it in consultation with the political parties. A meeting is called and then those rates are there. If they have any issue, they can always take up when the DOs call the meeting in their respective districts. As far as electoral rolls are concerned, political parties expressed their satisfaction. They demanded that one political party representative stated that name and phone number of the presiding officer should also be displayed at polling station. One political party raised the issue relating to service voters and demanded that this facility should not be allowed to be misused. As far as election schedule is concerned, political parties had suggested, they have given some suggestions that poll should be held before March. They said because we have the examinations, so that the examinations are not affected. That was the one suggestion which was given by the political parties. And the commission assured all the representatives of the political parties that commission will ensure that the entire polling process would be free, fair, peaceful, transparent, and in a credible election would be held. Commission also told the political parties that deployment of polling VVPATs along with the EVMs. EVMs has got two components or two parts, the ballot unit and the control unit, and now this time we will also have a voter verifiable paper audit trail. This is actually a machine which will be placed along with the BU. There will be a VVPAT machine in that voting compartment. There was a suggestion in earlier states that height of that cardboard voting compartment is 24 inch. So we have increased by 6 inches to 30 inches so that secrecy of voting is ensured, and even presiding officer or no other officer or the person standing in line should not be able to have an idea that voter has voted for which candidate. So to increase transparency we have added, and the main purpose is of this voter verifiable paper audit trail is that when any voter will press the blue button in the ballot unit, there will be a flash of light in the VVPAT machine which will be placed along with the BU, and there will be the slip size is 10 centimeter by 5.6 centimeter, and it will have three things. The ballot paper is fixed on the ballot unit. Their name or serial number, name of the candidate, and his election symbol are all there. Where the you press the you means any voter will press the blue button. So this VVPAT voter slip, which will be on a glass screen with a light, you will see three things: the serial number of the candidate, name of the candidate, and the election symbol of that particular candidate. The candidate. So now each voter would be able to see with his own eyes that the candidate for whom he has voted, the machine has correctly recorded the vote cast by him. So as a part of transparency, and also because the Supreme Court had also given a direction to the Election Commission in 2013 that we should introduce VVPAT machines or this voter verifiable paper audit trail for all elections. So it was in June 2017 that Election Commission has taken a decision that now all the polling stations shall have EVMs and also the VVPATs. VVPATs means a machine by which every voter can see the vote cast by him. In our country, the total number of registered voters is 86 crores 80 lakhs. That is 86.8 crores is the number of voters who are registered with us and who can cast their vote. We have got 9,80,000 polling stations in the whole country. So when Lok Sabha election would be held, 86.8 crores voters will be casting their vote in 9,80,000 polling stations. So it is a very big challenge which we have already accepted, and we are implementing it because we have to ensure the transparency and the credibility so that each voter should see with his own eyes that vote which he has casted has been correctly represented noted by the machine, and it is correctly recorded. So this is a technological innovation and the innovation for increasing transparency and credibility of the election.